This module was all about filling out the skeleton of our theme with some areas to pull in different kinds of content. We almost have a complete theme, but not quite yet. We'll put the skin on our theme in the next module by adding some customizable components and then dress up our theme in modules 9 and 10 by extending the theme to pull in some more external resources and bootstrap components. The index.php, page.php, and single.php templates are the main template files that are found in most themes. They handle a lot of the content on the site. The sidebar.php file handles content on the side, and this can be kept pretty small as well. But the reason why our main content files are so small is because we're using template parts. Template parts can serve a variety of functions. They can include the WordPress loop, if have post, while have posts the post. They can deal with things that just happen inside the loop, or they can handle things that don't have anything to do with the loop at all. I like to split these types of template parts into 3 categories. Those dealing with post formats, where the template part was just the stuff inside the loop after the post format has been determined. Those dealing with site content, where the loop is run inside the template part because we have a pretty good idea of what type of content we'll be dealing with and want to deal with it in a particular way. And utility template parts, where we're using dry coding practices to not copy and paste code that gets reused multiple times. Template parts use the function getTemplatePart and are a way to split your templates up into smaller, more specific pieces to make things easier to develop and reuse across different template files. We looked at archive templates like the search results page and the archive.php, in which we ran through a bunch of different checks to determine what type of archive page we were looking at. You also got to see how to customize the search form, which we were able to apply Bootstrap styles to relatively easily, and the 404 template, where you can really go nuts if you wanted and customize it however you want, as long as the basic idea that you're communicating to the user that the page they were trying to get to wasn't found. You also got to look at another type of archive template, the author template. Author templates are a little unique because it's a way that you can use user meta information to display information about your author from the profile page in the WordPress admin, as well as all the posts that user has written. You also got a chance to look at the comments template. This file allows you to modify how comments are displayed in your theme. Within the comments template, we referenced a callback function that was defined in the functions.php to handle how each comment was displayed. This allowed us to use Bootstrap media elements and styles on the individual comments and have more control over how the comments are output. Don't go anywhere, because the next module will cover how to add theme options using the Theme Customizer API that was added in WordPress 3.4.